Hello everyone, welcome to my travel vlog. Thank you for dropping by. If you haven't seen me before, I'm Izzah Hussein and I like sharing my travel story with you. I hope you enjoy this one. This was an unplanned trip. We got back from Bromo and we actually had a few days to kill before we go back to Malaysia. So we decided to go to a nearby town called Kota Malang. If you missed my Bromo vlog, I'll link it in the description below. If you missed my Bromo vlog, I'll link it in the description below. Kota Malang is actually a city in East Java and it has a mild highland climate. So it is a bit cool with hilly road. It's about 1 hour drive from Bromo. When we got there, it was already pretty late, but we decided to look for a motorbike to rent so that we can roam around. There's actually a lot of universities there, so there's many students and it's very happening. We decided to go to this restaurant. I wanted to go there because I thought the scenery was nice, and boy, did I not regret it. Safety first, guys. Kota Malang is a highland, so the road is pretty hilly. Also got lost a bit, but the local was very nice to show us the way and we finally found it. I love traveling and discovering places like this.
Ini gang sebelah ini.
Oh, sebelah ini.
Ya, naik terus.
Oh, okay. Makasih ya.
Hujan ya?
Apa?
Hujan.
Hujan. Oh. After that, we decided to go to Museum Angkut. I know Angkut in Malay actually means carrying something, but in this context, it actually means transportation. So Muzium Angkut apparently has about 300 collection of transportation from the classic to the moderns. There was a huge hall where you can see a lot of classic sports car and classic motorbikes, and they have this cute European themed street. It was fun finding different corners to take photos. Car stunt shows. There's a few cars drifting and there's smokes coming out. I oddly enjoyed that. So if you go to Muzium Angkut, don't miss that one. And after that, we made our back to Kota Malang. And then on the right side, there was a lot of houses and they're all blue. And on the left side, all the houses were like colorful, like in rainbow colors. This project by university students intend to bring that text up, make it more interesting. So they actually colored the village with rainbow. I mean, where else can you find that? So you had to pay a small fee to go in, but I think it was worth it. Overall, I think there was a great day in Kota Malang and Kota Batu.
Cinta sendiri
one more day for an adventure, I thought we go to a waterfall. Like we did yesterday, we had to ride for about 45 minutes towards Kota Batu. Temperature was very cool. The hill road had amazing and nice view. I really enjoyed it. The waterfall is very easy to reach, so there's no need to hike. You just brought your bike at the parking lot, and there's a lot of small restaurants.
Not just waterfall. Mana? Gila, bukan.
An 80 meters high waterfall. 80 meters high. We were just hypnotized by the splash, and I played a bit with the cool water. It was just amazing.
Mantap jauh. Mantap cuy.
So that's it for my adventure in Kota Malang and Kota Batu. We only had 2 days to explore, but I think we did make the most of it, I hope. I'm sure if I had a few more days to spend, I'll discover a lot more cool restaurants and more places to explore. If you have watched this far, let me know. Do you prefer an unplanned trip where you just see how you feel and just wing it? Or would you rather have a proper plan and follow through until the end? Let me know. Either way, enjoy the rest of your day. If you're fasting, I hope you have the good rest of Ramadan, and see you in the next one. Bye.